Yes.
I talked to my brother-in-law yesterday in Chicago. He's a police officer there. They're expecting Cheetah 50s this weekend in Chicago. Is that possible?
Insane. I know.
Above, 50 above.
It's almost laughable. Yeah, it is. I mean, to go from a feels like temperature of really 50 degrees below zero to now an actual air temperature, of 50 degrees. It's really insane tomorrow afternoon. So today is the transition to much warmer temperatures as we head into the upcoming weekend. A big difference here this morning. If you've been watching with us this week, even the warnings, all the warnings are almost expired here. So that's a quick telltale that, we're going to quickly see a big change in our weather pattern. There's the big dip in the jet stream, but it's slowly backing off back north. It's going to take most of the snow along with it. So you'll start to see that creep back into Canada, back into the Arctic, where all that cold air belongs. Here locally, we have clouds in place. We do have a few light showers this morning, a little bit of a mist. If you want to be on the safe side, grab that umbrella throughout the day today. You'll see about a 20, max 30% chance of a few showers, mainly during your midday and into your early afternoon. Most of this still trying to exit the region. Let me broaden out the radar scope. Notice how the upper area of low pressure, so the little system that pushed through yesterday, is now off to our east. We're just tracking a few light showers across the area. Temperatures this morning, we're running about 10 degrees warmer compared to yesterday. So even though it's a little bit more mild, when you factor in some of the rain, the fog, the cloud seedlings this morning, we're feeling a little bit cooler than this. So still grab the jacket. We're tracking mainly 50s across the state with the exception there of Amarillo. Now your hour by hour forecast. This is 3 o'clock this afternoon. Notice clouds still in place. That light shower is still very possible as we trend into your Saturday. Very similar of a weather pattern. Steph, we'll see anywhere from about a 30% chance for a few showers, and that takes it even through next week.
All right, Cheetah, and the rain just enough to put a wrench in things this